Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Victoria. Welcome back to Pembroke Beauty. And today I'm doing my November Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys are new and you haven't seen any of my Boxycharm unboxings, you should definitely check them out. I have an entire playlist of them and you can see what it's all about. But essentially a Boxycharm is a subscription monthly box that you get, and it has I think it's 4 to 5 full-sized items that you can get every month, and they send it to you, and it's always a surprise unless you follow them on Instagram, and then they kind of spoil the surprise. But it is very exciting because it's like a gift that you're giving yourself in the mail every month, or it's a really good gift that you can give to somebody for Christmas, because I think you can do like 3-month subscriptions, and maybe like they'll really like it or whatever. If you know somebody who really likes makeup and they don't get it, it's a really, really cool thing. But anyway, so you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month, and with that, you are guaranteed that they will total over $100 in value. So it's only $21.99 a month, and you're guaranteed $100. So you're getting like 80 bucks of free stuff a month, which is pretty cool. I have a little friend with me. Come here, my little buddy. This is my little love. Look at how beautiful. This is Pookie. She's the little frail girl of our lives. I know. She wanted to join us, so she'll probably sit in my lap for a while. But yeah, so that is the topic of today. And so if you've never seen any of my Boxycharm unboxings, you will see that I like to go through them and try everything on my face if it is applicable. And so that is exactly what I'm going to do today. So every month you have a little like card that tells you what you're getting, and this month it is Gold Digger. So a little play on words there. So yeah, so this month we have 5 items in the box, and I'm pretty freaking pumped to share them with you. So I'm going to start with this first product here because I am not going to use it. It is not cruelty free. This is the Jaunty Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. I have tried up and down to find this brand and see whether or not it is 100% cruelty free. I can't find it anywhere, so I'm going to assume that it is not. And I'm not going to use it. But it is $5, and apparently it is a glitter liner. So I will find somebody else to give this to as a home, but not for me. Also, I just wanted to make a little like announcement, was that if you don't follow and you don't know, CoverGirl just went fully cruelty free and they don't sell to China anymore, and it's super exciting, and I'm like really freaking pumped because CoverGirl was some of my first makeup like in high school, when I was in like middle school, when I was trying out makeup and whatever. And so once I like decided that I wasn't going to use cruelty, you know, testing on animal products, I decided that I wouldn't use them anymore, obviously, and now they are, and that's really exciting. So I'm going to probably test out some of their stuff because I actually haven't tried anything from them in probably like years. Yeah, probably like years. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I just wanted to share it. So now you know. So the next item in the box. How beautiful is this packaging? Like, I cannot even. This is so pretty. Grandiose palette. How stunning is that? Like, oh my lord. So this retails for $24.99. It features 4 shimmer shades for bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So without further ado, this is what the inside of the palette looks like, and that is freaking stunning. So let me bring that a little closer for you. Like, how beautiful. Holy moly. So in case you guys couldn't tell, I'm filming in a different spot. I haven't been filming in this spot for a while because there was construction, etc. So things are a little different. So I'm working on lighting, so bear with me. But I'm really freaking pumped to use this. And like I said, this is $24.99, so that's already over the price of the box itself. I would just like to throw that out there. And with that, I'm going to use these. So this is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, and it comes with 4 brushes, and they're all for your eyes. And some of these are really teeny tiny, and I'm really excited about that. I just need you to see the handles of these. Like, I can't even hold them right. I'm sorry, I'm struggling really hard right now. Like, how beautiful are these, though? Am I right? Or am I right? So this has add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. This retails for $21, and it's pretty freaking cool because I don't know if you can see, like, some of these are teeny tiny. And I really like that because I actually don't have a lot of teeny brushes. The only sucky thing is that these are limited edition, so unless you guys get them, you won't be able to use them and stuff like that. But I'm sure Luxie has some similar brushes on their website. These are cruelty-free, and they have really good brushes. So I have a couple of their brushes as, like, just over time I've accumulated them, and I highly recommend them to you. They're very high quality. So I'm going to pull you in a little closer to me, and I'm going to kind of speed through me doing my eyeshadow with this because I want you to see how these work together as one. Okay, so these are the eyes, and as far as the palette goes, I really like this. I will say that there is a lot of kickback and a lot of fallout. I did have to clean up my face a little bit because I did have a decent amount of fallout on my face. Was it like a ton of fallout? No, but there was a lot of kickback in the pans themselves. They were extremely pigmented though, and that's typically what is indicative of having that. So I don't really mind, like I've said before, that really doesn't bother me, but for some people it really does bother them, and I'm just letting you know that's what I experienced. As far as the brushes go, I thought they were really good. There's definitely no way that you could do like an entire eye look with just these, but these are like good filler brushes because like I said, I don't really have a lot of small brushes. I did have to go in and use my inner corner highlight brush from my own set and my big fluffy brush to really like buff out the edges. But other than that, this was all I needed to do this look, and I really like them. I think that they are really good quality. I think that they're super pretty. Are these like the heaviest, most like luxury brushes? No, but I think that they're a really pretty addition to my set, and I'm really excited to have them. I also wanted to state that this palette is like Thanksgiving in a palette, and I really like that. It's actually been a while since I've played with like this warm of tones, and I really like it, and it makes me want to play with them more. So I'm very pleased. All of the mattes, as you saw, blended out very, very easily. They were not chalky. It was really, really easy, and the shimmers were intense and really, really pigmented. And I'm sure if you wet your brush that they would be even better than they were, but I typically don't try to do that when I'm doing reviews. But absolutely, if you did it, it would be incredible, I'm sure. So moving on to the next thing in the box, there is this. So this is the Lashaholic Luxury Lash, and it is in Instaglam. That's the style. And this is what they look like in the actual packet. They are really pretty. Very like wispy and pretty. So these retail for $15. They are vegan falsies that are made from premium silk fibers that gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. So that's really, really cool. I'm going to apply these very quickly, and I will be right back. So I just want you guys to see how like hard I'm struggling to put this lash on. And like I said in many previous videos, lashes that have non-clear bands really, really make me struggle. And this is one of those. Like, I'm already losing it on the inner corner. Like, they're really, really pretty, don't get me wrong, but like, my God, this is such a struggle. I don't like. And they're very uncomfortable, at least for me. Like, I know that apparently the trick is to like move them around and stuff like that. But I can't. I just cannot. So I'm trying my hardest to get this to work, but this is not my favorite product in the box. I just want to make that known here.
"75 hours later."
Like, they're pretty now that they're on, but holy moly. Like, I know I cut it out of most of my videos, but that usually does not take me that long to do. That was a struggle. And usually, the ones with the clear band, I don't feel them at all. And like these are like stabbing me in the corner of my eye. And like I said, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just not used to it, but I hate it. I hate it. Like the style, don't like the band. I'm sorry. Final thing in the box is, so it is the Cover FX glitter drops, and these are in Nova. These retail, listen to this short, these retail for $44. 44 whole doll hairs right here in this bottle. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So this is what the box looks like. I already showed you, so I'm going to, it says shake well before use. I would just like that to be known. This is what they look like. And this, I will say, is very impressively beautiful. Like, let me shake that around and see if you can see any difference. But I know you guys can see the little glitter droplets in there. That is really, really, really pretty. Like, wow. Okay, so I'm just going to swatch a little bit on the back of my hand right here. And we'll see if it's too dark for me. Okay, so I think this is slightly too dark for me, but oh well. I'm going to put it on my face anyway. So I'm probably just going to take a little bit. I feel anxious. I'm going to take a little bit. Ooh. They feel really good too. They're like hydrating and moisturizing. Oh, I like that. And it's actually not too dark for me as long as I like paired it with something lighter. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the other side. That is beautiful. Oh, I like that. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I just topped it off with some NYX Red lip liner and some ColourPop gloss in Cabana Boy, and I absolutely love how it turned out. As far as things in the box, quick rundown. Very pleased. Very pleased. Very pleased. Not pleased. Not pleased. So I would say that that was a win because honestly, I mean, 3 out of 5 ain't bad, you know? And I absolutely love the palette. That is something that you can like use over and over and over again. The glitter drops, that is like priceless to me because I've been kind of dying over stuff like that from Cover FX for a while and I haven't been able to get anything from them because they're just so freaking expensive. You know what I mean? Like it's just kind of obscene. Like that whole thing was like $44, and granted, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but $44 though, that's kind of a lot. So, yeah, so that is where we are at with the box. That was it. So as quick as that went, I'm going to tell you how much you got in your box if you got the same thing as I did. So in total, the box had $110 worth of stuff in it. So you were technically getting about $89 for free, which is amazing. So again, I will say Boxycharm amazes me. Once again, I think that this is a beautiful like Thanksgiving look. I think that was probably where they were headed with that theme. I just absolutely love it. I'm very, very pleased. If you are interested in Boxycharm, I will link all of their stuff down below. I'm not sponsored, #want to be, but not sponsored. So whatever links I have, they're totally just click them and you can go and do whatever you want. But yeah, so that is it. And if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more of them, like I said, I will add the playlist to the end of this video. If you haven't already, you should definitely subscribe to me. Hey there. And sorry. If you haven't, you should follow me on Instagram right here. I do some polls and stuff on there to see what you guys like, just for fun, post pictures, whatever, you know, Instagram stuff. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give it a thumbs up for me and comment any suggestions you have for me down below. And I think that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye!